Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll be creating the neck of our bottle. Let's begin with a sketch. We'll put it on plane 2. And let's take a normal 2 view. Activate the circle tool. Let's drop a circle about here. And let's apply some dimensions. 70 millimeter diameter. Okay. Let's exit our sketch. Take an isometric view. Go to the Features tab, activate the Extruded Boss Base tool. To better see what's happening, let's rotate to a front view. And I'm going to create a 5 millimeter extrusion in direction 1. Tab. Let's apply a draft angle also, let's say 3 degrees. Direction 2, let's activate this. Draft outward. Let's check this box and click OK. Back to isometric view. Let's insert a second sketch. Dimensions. 60 millimeter diameter. OK. And let's exit the sketch. Let's extrude again, let's say 20 millimeters. Let's ensure Merge Result is checked. And let's click OK. This concludes our lesson about creating the bottle neck.